of cubes, right? I could definitely see the x to the third. It's a sum. And I recognize 64 as being a perfect cube. What number cubed is 64? 4. 4 times 4 times 4 is 64. So if I rewrite it as x to the third plus 4 to the third, now it has that pattern, right? A to the third plus b to the third. And that should be the first set of parentheses is a plus b, right? It's going to match, since that's a sum, that's a sum. And the second set of parentheses is a squared minus ab plus b squared. Right. So what is it in our expression that represents the a? The x, right? So everywhere I see an x, I'm going to put, or an a, I'm going to put an x. Right? And x squared minus x. Okay, what is it that represents the b? 4, right? So put in a 4 minus times 4 plus 4 squared. Okay, simplify. Equals x plus 4 times x squared minus 4x plus 16. Now, when you get these, I mean, I don't like focusing on the SOLs, I really don't. But when you get these kind of questions on the SOL, very often it's a multiple choice. They say factor this expression, and hopefully you think, okay, well, that is a sum of cubes. Maybe you don't remember the whole formula, but you remember that it's definitely a binomial times a trinomial. It's 2 terms times 3 terms. Normally, like 2 of their answers won't even have that format, right? It'll be like 2 terms times 2 terms. So you can throw them out because it can't be. It has to be 2 terms times 3 terms. Usually the other thing you're picking is just as matter, it'll be like one of them will have the plus in the right place and the minus in the right place, and then the other one will have it reversed. So if you just knew that much of the pattern, you could just pick it out of the 4. Now, what if the only thing that you remembered is that the first factor is x plus 4, right? That's the only thing. Well, you could always divide using synthetic division or whatever way you want. If you want to divide x to the third plus 64 by x plus 4, the answer will be the second set of parentheses, right? If I did synthetic division on this, I would write down 1, 0, 0, don't do that, 64, right? What would go in the bracket if I'm dividing by x plus 4? Negative 4, and draw my line, bring down the 1, negative 4 times 1, add, negative 4 times negative 4, add, negative 4 times 16, negative 64, add, remainder is 0, and this is x squared minus 4x plus 16. And that is the second set of parentheses. So if all you can remember is that first term, the binomial, it matches up with this, right? It's a plus, x plus 4. Then you could divide and find the rest of it.